Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm wearing the same exact thing. I'm filming a couple videos today and I'm just not going to go change my clothes for that. I don't think you really care that my t-shirt and my lipstick and all that's the same. Anyways, in today's video we're going to be unboxing our Boxycharm for July 2021. This is a $25 a month subscription and here we should have 5 full-size products. If you're new to my channel, I am a cruelty-free YouTuber, so if at any time while I'm filming, if I don't know something's cruelty-free, I will do the research. I will have it displayed right here on the screen for you, as well as the full-size value of the product. But there should be a card in here that will tell me the full-size value, so I will be sure to mention that verbally as well. There's a dog in this room, so you may hear grunting and breathing, and I don't know what she's doing down there. She'll probably hop up here eventually. But anyways, let's just go ahead and get into the unboxing. Alright, so when you open it up, it looks just like this. This little card right here is going to have the theme for the month, which is fantasy. Pretty fitting for the summer. I did forget to mention too that Boxycharm, I think you can pick a couple of these items in here, maybe 2. I did not pick anything in here. I almost never pick anything to be in my box. I just forget or I get the email and it's too late. I have noticed in the past though, like sometimes you get the email to pick and some of the choices are like sold out, which is kind of annoying, but I didn't pick anything in here, so everything was picked for me by Boxycharm. Let's just go ahead and start pulling things out. Alright, this first thing right here on top is from the Lifestyle Co., which I feel like I may have tried something from them in the past. I can't quite recall. This is a detox hair serum, a nutrient plant scalp treatment. There's the packaging, pretty basic. It does say it is vegan and cruelty-free, so that's great. Let's just go ahead and see what this looks like. Okay, so here it is. It pretty much looks the same as the outer packaging. So it says, okay, let me read the box to you. Part the hair into sections, apply 1 to 2 drops to each partition, and massage into scalp. Do not rinse out. The treatment should be applied after washing and before styling. So is it like after conditioner? Do you do it to dry hair? I don't know. I need more help with this. Okay, so I don't really suffer from like an itchy scalp. I do get occasional like dandruff, but not something where it's like constant and I feel like I have like a dry scalp per se. I may let my husband try this. I don't know if he will try this, but he does tend to have dandruff more than I do. I don't know. I'll have to think about this if I want to keep it or pass it on to somebody else. Just seems a little interesting to me. The value on this is $79. No. I know oils are expensive, but you can't just keep... Why do companies do this? Why? I don't think that's worth $79. Maybe $49. Maybe. I don't think it's worth $79. I've never tried it. Maybe it's amazing. Maybe it's changed people's lives, but I just don't see the value in that. Okay, moving right along. This next thing is from Bellapierre Cosmetics, which is cruelty-free. This is a liquid eyeliner in black. Now, their packaging I don't like. It's kind of cheap looking. Okay, I don't think I'm going to use this. It's one of those with like a little brush, I think is what they are. Let me double check this. Yeah, so it's got a brush. It's definitely a liquid eyeliner. Oh no, hold on. That is a felt tip. I thought it was a brush. I don't know what that is. I think it might be felt tip. It seems kind of stiff. Let me see if the card tells me. Okay, so a jet black liquid liner with a flexible tapered tip, perfect for thin strokes or bold lines. Long-lasting formula, dries quickly for a beautiful matte finish. Okay, I might give this a go. I don't know. I don't know how skilled I am with this. I'm not really great with liquid eyeliner as it is, but maybe I'll give that a try. I've been using a felt tip one more and more as opposed to the pencils that you twist up. And I feel like I've gotten better at it, but I just feel like I'm never going to do a wing liner. I'm just not somebody who's good at that, and that's fine. And I don't really think it looks great on my eyes anyway. I did buy one of those stamps once, and that was interesting, but then there's like skipping, and I don't know. I'm just not a winged liner gal, and that's fine. not everybody is. I think it looks great on people who like to wear it, but me, I just don't think it looks good. Anyways, all that to say, I've been using liquid liner more, and so maybe I will give that a go. Also, sorry if you hear my air conditioner just turned on. It's summer in Arizona, and I'm not filming with my air off. The value of the eyeliner is $20, which is not too overpriced, I don't think. I feel like that's pretty on par with most liquid eyeliners. However, I don't think that brand is like super in demand. Like, they're not. I've only ever heard of them from subscription boxes, is what I'm trying to say. So, I don't know if I would pay that personally. All right, moving right along. The next thing I have is from Mud Masky, which is cruelty-free. I've gotten a couple things from this brand. This is a Moisture Boost Vitamin Boost, feeding, nourishing, firming. Oh, it is a vitamin-infused eye serum. I was reading all the attributes of it, but I couldn't figure out what it was. So this is an eye serum, which, holy crap, this is a lot. This could last me a year probably. You use so little of the eye cream. I feel like this is a lot. It says it reduces dark circles. I don't really struggle with dark circles, but I try to use an eye cream because you're just supposed to. Oh, it's explaining to me about dark circles. The delicate skin around the eyes is 10 times thinner than the skin on the rest of the face, making it the first place to exhibit signs of premature aging, such as dark circles and fine lines. This eye serum contains a blend of all natural vitamin C, blah, 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 blah. Anyways, that's why you get dark circles. Anyways, the value of this is $63, which I don't think is bad, especially considering how much you get in here. This is huge. Most eye serums are like this big. So that's a lot. So I definitely will give that a go. All right, let's pull this next thing. This is the Penpal 4-in-1 makeup pen. There's the packaging. Mine is in the shade Make a Mauve. Okay, I'm already excited just looking at the packaging of this. Like, this is taking me back to my childhood. Okay, so this is like one of those pens from like the 90s that you would like push down, like different colors. Oh God, and then you turn, okay. So you pick what you want, right? So there, I don't know if you can see that. And then I think you spin. And it's barely coming out, but you, okay, let me swatch. But this is like one of those pens. It's got 4 different things in here. This first thing is some sort of gold thing. I don't know what it is. There's that. I don't know if you can see that. You're fine, bud. Come in here then. Sorry, he's out there whining. Okay, so this next thing is like something pink. I think that's like a lip liner or a lipstick maybe. You're fine, buddy. Okay, the next thing is something that's brown. Okay. There's the brown. And then the last one is black. So there's all 4. So it looks like, okay, let me take a look at this. So this is from Alley Oop. This is a Penpal 4-in-1 makeup, and I didn't even check if they were cruelty-free. They are cruelty-free, so that's good. For when you need a quick look or touch up on the go and don't want to carry your whole makeup bag with you, Penpal is the convenience of 4 essential products in one easy-to-use, easy-to-stash click pen. Just click down on a color and apply for a fresh, natural look wherever you are. Okay, so the eyeliner is the black color. The highlighter was that gold color. The lip pencil was that pink color, and then brow pencil was the brown. Interesting. That's kind of cool. Like, this is gimmicky for sure. But this is like gimmicky in a good way. Like, I want to try this. And the packaging like on it is super cute. It says Make a Mauve, and then where did I see that? Oh, right there. I like your face. Like, thank you. Thank you for liking my face. I'm excited about this. The value on it is $25. I think that's a little bit expensive, but it's definitely cool. Definitely something I'm excited to try. All right, one last item. And this is from Bellapierre Cosmetics, which is cruelty-free. This is a hydrating complexion trio. Sorry, there's the packaging. It's sealed, so I gotta see what we're dealing with here. So here's what we're dealing with. So I don't know if that's like a setting powder and then like 2 bronzers there or what. Let me see. Okay, so use the brightening shade to illuminate under the eyes. I don't do that. The bronzer shade to add warmth on the perimeter of the face, and the deeper shade to create depth around the cheekbones, forehead, and jaw. So I guess you like contour with the darker shade, which I just use my bronzer like all those areas, but I'll give it a go. I don't think it's too dark for me, but I definitely don't brighten my under eye. That's like a yellow, so it's almost, I guess, similar to like a banana powder. Do people still use those? I don't know. The value on this is $25. Not the worst. Not the worst for like a face palette, I don't think, but not the best. All right, let me add all this up really quick just to get a total box value for you. Okay, so the total value of this box is $212. Overall, I thought it was a decent box. I am going to use everything. The only thing I'm iffy about is that weird hair oil thing. Not weird, but I don't know if I'm going to use this, and I also think it's overpriced. And the liquid eyeliner is like, I might try it just to see if I am any good with it. I don't know if I will be. But everything else I'm super pumped about. I'm excited about the face palette. This Penpal thing is definitely my favorite thing in the box. And then the eye serum I definitely think is a good deal as well. Okay, but now it's your turn in the comments down below. Let me know, number 1, what you got in your Boxycharm if you do get this box, and what you thought of mine. I always like to hear you guys' thoughts and opinions down in the comments. Don't forget, if you like this video, to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more dogs, eventually I can see them. They're in the other room right there, and they're all just laying down. If you want to see them, they should be back hopefully soon. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And yeah, we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.